How to convert JFIF file to a JPEG image. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can quickly convert JFIF file to JPEG image. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, click on the link in the description and you'll be prompted to the web page where you can convert your file. Once you are there, simply drag and drop your image onto the page. And once you have dragged your image, simply choose your desired format. And once you're done with that, simply scroll down and hit on download. And once it's downloaded, you are all set. The JFIF file is successfully converted to JPEG image. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.